Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Coral red color. Kids, the next one is rose big color. Wow, so many colors. Pale blue, light color. Uranium color. Mint blue color. Violet color. Now we open the color of Persian blue color. The next one is light violet color. Vivid purple color. Now we open the color of baby blue. Next one is warm gray color. Lavender color. Next one is black color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10.